Hi, I'm Josh with Fortis HD. These are tools. These are scraper sets. Thank you and have a great day. Josh with Fortis. These are the 5 tools I can't live without. Every tool in front of me can be found at fortishd.com. If you have any questions on any of them, you can reach out joshed@fortishd.com. I will answer them to the best of my abilities. Those of you who can't count higher than 5, this is a tool channel. You should not be here. No, actually, if you can't count higher than 5, you should be here, right? Number 5, the Impact Poly Dual Face Hammer. 4.25 pounder. This one's a good one-hander. Really good dead blow, right? There's gonna be some really awesome videos coming out with these soon where we actually test them to failure. So watch out for that. But Impact Poly Hammer, this one's the 4.25 dual face dead blow. Number 5 on the list. Number 4, oh, what's that? The Koken ratchets. I got a few sizes here. This one's a 3.725/280 without the flex head, so solid head. 3/8. This one's a 72 tooth. Is that ASMR? Is that what Cam does? ASMR. Then you whisper while you spin that. Is that train gonna ruin the shot? No? All right. Did you count every one of those? Have you counted every one of those? 3.725Z 280, right? It's got the smooth grip. This one's a solid. Got the short version. This one's a 3.725Z. Yeah, I got it right. 3.725Z right off the top. Flex head, right? That one's actually my own, so that one will stay with me. Not gonna give that one back to anybody. We do sell other stuff for Koken. We do sell other ratchets. We sell some of the little socket sets. This one's the 1/4 inch, little tiny guy. We got a bunch of those now. So we're doing all that all the time. Number 3 on the list, or 3. Which one's the German one? You ever seen Inglourious Basterds? Okay. Oh, the guy holds up like a 3 and it tips him that it should have been this way or something. Take it back. Number 3, scraper sets. I love these things. Everyone actually that we sell them to loves these things. They come in the foam inlay, which is really nice. That way you can just throw it in your toolbox. I won't drop it like the last time and throw it everywhere and pretend I did it on purpose. This counts as 1, I don't care what you say. So this is number 3. You can do 3A, 3B, I don't care what you're doing. Use it for ripping your gaskets off, right? Cylinder heads, that big mounting gasket on those trannies. Number 2, wrench extender. Also, multiple sizes. Ooh. These are the ones that you've probably seen the most of us using. These things are forged. They are impossible to break. If you break one, please send me a video of it because I'd like to see it. Because we've tried and we can't break them. I'm a big guy. I've stood on them. I can't break them. 745, 102, 101, 100. There's also a multi-axis one. There's a whole bunch of those. Everyone seems to love those. Wrench extenders number 2. Honorable mention before we get to number 1. I didn't know where to put these, but the mini pry bars. These things can take a licking and keep on ticking. Booey! I'm a big guy, if you can't tell. I know the camera only adds 5 or 45 pounds, whatever it does. I can lean on this bad boy and not bend it. But these things, ever since we got them, everybody's been putting these in their trucks and taking them. You can also buy them individually if you want, but most guys buy the set because, I mean, 2 is better than 1, right? Talk about Klondike bars. 2 is way better than 1. What would you do for a Klondike bar? This might make it on the future lists. We now sell some of the Hanson stuff, right? Not the band. Be like, oh, dude, that drummer is cute. And then you're like, oh, that drummer's a fucking dude. It'll come with the metrics, the SAEs of each size, right? Small, medium, and the big guys. Tool organizers. You can get them on the site now. Number 1 on the list is pretty obvious if you've followed our channels or paid attention to anything we've done since the beginning of the internet. I'm not letting them throw this because it's like 20 pounds and we have laws. It's gonna be the one that Cam most famously named as the Big Chooch. If you've ever used one or ever tried one out, it does more than you think it can do. We sent a bunch to Australia, we sent a bunch to Alaska, they get tested, they get used hard. There's 8 different bits or attachments for those right now. This one is the most popular one. This is the EQ290-320, right? That is the hammer bit. That's the most common used one to bane out pins. And the newest popular one that we literally cannot keep on the shelf because everyone keeps buying them is the 20 mil pin driver extended version. This thing is great for track pins, mainly, and getting into places that you need to have a little bit of reach on. The normal pin driver comes to about here, 500. It's almost a double length. It's fantastic. That's all we got. Buy these things all at fortishd.com. Make sure you use the code TOP5 to save 10% on your tool order. I don't look like Thor, but I sure feel like Thor. My ass Thor from sitting on this hammer. Probably shouldn't say that either. Sorry, that one poor guy, he's gonna be so upset with me.
If you have a favorite tool you'd like to showcase in action on the channel, reach out and submit your video to media@fortishd.com. Join us on our journey to tool the next generation.